Well, I grew up in Roseau County on a farm just southwest of here. Our community has always had a very strong work ethic. I think that's true probably throughout the whole Midwest. The farther north you go, the stronger it gets.
People have the can-do attitude. They never give up. That's probably the roots of the Polaris story.
Growing up here, Polaris has just been part of who we are. Good people and simple and not over the top.
I don't think anybody would ever consider themselves better than somebody else. You treat everybody the same and try to do the best job that you can.
It's a culture that's hard to find in other places. I've been a lot of places. I've traveled a lot too, and there's a lot here.
We're a very self-sufficient town of just over 2,600 people. The plant here, we employ almost 1,500. In Roseau, we build more fun per square foot than any other factory in the United States.
We work hard to make sure that production is running because families need that to survive. The community in Polaris, we look out for each other, and the same thing happens kind of door to door, neighbor to neighbor.
And you just want to help out and do what you can.
Right. Fresh air, the scenery, the freedom. It's nice to be able to share that.
I hope for my daughter that she gets to experience that sense of community, that outdoors, living in the country experience.